guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another edition of Tool Tech Tuesday. A few weeks ago I posted a short video on my TikTok. That's right, I am on TikTok now. If you guys have not started following me there, it's the same name as every place else as Chad Meyer 73. It don't matter what social media platform you go to, I use the same name for everything to make it easy. Whether it's TikTok, Instagram, or here on my YouTube channel. So like I said, a few weeks ago I posted a video on my TikTok about MichaelPro tools and their T-handles. These are a spinner. They are adjustable up and down depending upon what groove you go in. They come in 3/8 and they also come in quarter. It makes it nice because you can put a socket on the end for spinning and loosening or tightening, or if you really want to torque down or a bolt is stubborn and tight, you can put a socket on this end of the T-handle and be able to use this for just a little bit more torque. When I posted that video, obviously I tagged MichaelPro Tools, told them how much I like their tools. They liked the video within just a few hours, and so I reached out to them, told them who I was and what I was about. So they graciously and nicely sent me out a care package to review and go over their tools. So we are actually going to unbox this stuff tonight. It's going to go in a toolbox, and I'm going to use this season on my son's race schedule. We go to 12 local races, and then we have some other stuff planned for some qualifying races for some other platforms that he's going to be going into, or not platforms, but race leagues, whatever you want to call it, that he's going to be going into. We're going to be taking a trip to Florida to a huge race down there. So MichaelPro Tools is going to go with me everywhere I go this year and help me work on and wrench on my son's bike for this race season. So let's get started and look at everything that they've sent me and everything that's going to go into that toolbox. And at the end of this season, I'm going to let you know some of the pros and cons, if any, on their tools and what I liked and disliked. So I'm going to set this back down here. We're going to pull things out individually and see what's all inside this box. First off, we have one of their torque wrenches. Get this opened up. If you haven't already done so, head over to Instagram and Facebook and give MichaelPro a follow. I will put a link in the description for their website, and they are available on Amazon through their Amazon store as well. So those links will be down in the description. So right off the bat, we got a coupon in there. Got instructions on how to use the torque wrench. I saw this torque wrench on one of their posts, and I found it rather unique in a sense. Within this torque wrench set, you have your torque wrench themselves. You have 3 different sockets from 11/16, 3/4, and 13/16. But what I found unique about it, I believe, is probably geared more towards the lug nut end of things. So if you lock that on the end, it gives you the ability to hold on and keep your wrench square and straight as you use the wrench or your torque wrench to get it to the proper torque. So I found that pretty nice in the fact of torquing down your lug nuts or pretty much anything else that you may be using this for. With the sockets that come with it, I believe they probably gear this more towards their lug nuts versus anything else, but it can be used for probably other things as well. It is in foot-pounds the way it looks is what the only thing it reads is foot-pounds, looking through the window right there. So this is their torque wrench, and it is available on their website. We have a standard screwdriver set here, and these are magnetized. We have Phillips and bladed screwdrivers in here. Rubberized handle, nice firm grip. We have the shorty Phillips. We have the shorty blade, and then it goes through a number 2, a number 3, and then 3 other sizes of your bladed screwdrivers as well. Got one of their deburring tools. This is pretty nice. Got a reamer. It does have a burr, and then it has 2 different style of deburring tools in it, or edges in it as well. So I thought this was pretty cool. I have a couple of things like this, or a couple deburring tools like this, but it's just a single deburring tool, and that's it. You have your choice on this. Got a mini screwdriver set. Same thing as in there. You have bladed and Phillips, 3 different ones of each. Coupon and everything, it looks like. Got a headlamp. So we're going to put this in the toolbox as well. It does take 3 AAAs and pretty easy open. So we're going to put this in there because there is a night racing series that we will be going to. So this will be nice for the night series. Couple of different magnetic trays. This will be awesome at the track because if we're taking things apart, we can keep track of them. They can go right in the magnetic tray. Got 2 different sizes. Got a round and we got a square. And we have a socket set to put in there as well. It's a 3/8 flex head. Just opened up. So we have a 3/8 flex head ratchet, 1 extension, and then we go from 8 to 18 as far as your sockets. And they do skip a couple that is missing 9, it's missing 11. And from there, we're not missing anything. So we're missing number 9, we're missing 11, and that's pretty much it. And then we go from 1/4 to 3/4 on the American SAE. They are a 12-point socket. Got a plier set, got a pair of side dikes, pair of electrical pliers, pair of needle nose, pair of standard small pliers, standard larger pliers, and then a pair of channel locks. This box here has some Allen wrenches in it, all T-handles, various sizes. We have a 10, an 8, a 6, and then a 5, 4, 3, 2.5, and a 2. And they are all a ball end. Last box here is Allen wrenches again. We have some American Allen wrenches, T-handle, that are ball end, and we go from 5/16 to 3/8 on these. On the Americans, I notice something different from the metrics is they also have your Allen wrench here. That's just a standard end, ball end, and then giving it just a little bit more, having just a little bit more mechanical advantage for torque. On the metrics, they do not have that. All right, so there you have it. That's what was in my care package from MichaelPro Tools. We're gonna put these to their paces this year at the race schedule. I'm gonna try and make sure this is all that I use. Hopefully everything is in here that I need. We'll find out this weekend, because this weekend is going to be the first race. I'll put them in a box and put them to work. So anytime you do purchase something from MichaelPro Tools, they put a 15% off coupon for your next purchase. In every single package there was one of those. So other than that, that's pretty much all I have. Like I said, get a chance to check out MichaelPro Tools. Website is in the description, and also their Amazon store. So with that being said, I guess that's pretty much all I have. Next video, I am going to go over some things that I have done with the new shop. The new shop is coming along. I have not been able to film much of that because of weather restraints, but pad is done and some of the structure is up. So I will go over that in the next video, whether that be a tool video or that just be a regular old video. I'm not certain yet. So until next time, guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already done so, and we'll see you guys in the next one.